So here's a little video of my baby boy. He's 1 week old today. 1 week old. And he's got the hiccups. Got the hiccups. Isn't he beautiful? Look at that. So Daddy and I did something pretty perfect. Yes, we did. Pretty perfect. Say Brandon Isaac. Brandon Isaac. So you know your name. You know your name. Yes, you do. Oh, stupid hiccups. Yes. Oh, say Superman. Superman. So he always acts like he's swimming. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, goodness. So beautiful. So beautiful. So you could be in baby commercials, but Mommy won't do that. Mommy won't do that. No. Okay, it's August 10th. Yep, August 10th. And Daddy's taking a nap. Mommy took a nap earlier. And we just ate. So now we're just hanging out. Pretty content little baby. Except the hiccups get on his nerves. Yeah. Uh-oh. They drive you crazy, won't they? They drive you crazy. Yeah. My baby. I love you, Brandon. I love you, Brandon. Say bye for now. Say bye. Say bye for now.